Hi, I'm Sosin Revella, faculty for Anthropology for UPSC. During the 2 decades of experience that I have in this field, I had the privilege and fortune of guiding hundreds of students to secure their positions in civil services, as well as to instill the kind of interest, the kind of love that is necessary for the student in the subject in order to score high in the exam. Crystallizing this entire experience that I have in this field, a couple of years ago, I had started with a new program that is a high-impact program, namely ANTHRO. This is a program under which I pick up about 50 to 60 most probable areas that a student has to prepare for that particular year. And this year, I am going to do this program of ANTHRO in Delhi for 3 days, beginning from 12th of August to 14th of August. I strongly believe that this program, with the kind of contemporary discussions that I am going to place, is going to have a lot of impact on the way finally the students are going to present, the students are going to take the last lap of their preparation in the anthropology optional for this year. So I heartily welcome all of you to this program so that you can take the immense benefit of this program that is being delivered to you in Delhi. I shall be waiting for you, and I am pretty much sure that you would definitely enjoy these sessions, which are going to be the icing on the cake for your preparation and presentation in the examination.